What up, YouTube? We out here cruising. Gonna go get some In-N-Out, actually. Gotta love daily driving the 350Z though. You know what I mean? Yeah. Love the In-N-Out. Yep, it's an automatic, I know. All the haters out there, I don't give a shit. It's a daily driver and I wanted an automatic. So I found it. Let's get this In-N-Out, call it good. Alright, we got the In-N-Out. Mission accomplished. I would rip it out of here, but I don't know. Much done to this car yet. I mean, I don't know, I guess I do. I got high flow cats, Y-pipe, circuit works Y-pipe, ISR blast pipes, titanium. We got cold air intake. I don't have any tune yet, but it's been running beautiful, so. We also BC coilovers I still gotta install. I need some new bushings for the back. Yeah, no, this is my second car. And it's the first car I ever bought. Dream car. So I got it. I love it. It's so fun to daily drive. There's not much room in here, but it is a lot of fun.